Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to animate graphs in DaVinci Resolve. Firstly, bring a Fusion composition into the timeline. Next, go to the Fusion page, bring a background node, and connect it to the Media Out node. Now, change the background color. Bring the graph image into the node graph, connect it to the background node, and then add a transform node to adjust the size of the graph. After that, add another background node, connect it to the merge one, and change the color of the background too. Then, bring a polygon node, and now just zoom the viewer and draw the graph. Simply go to the Inspector tab and increase the border width. Put a keyframe on the length parameter, then drag it down to 0. After that, come a few frames forward in time, and then just increase the length parameter. Now, to smooth out the animation, go to Spline Editor, check all the parameters, then just select the last keyframe, and hit S on your keyboard. Then, on your keyboard, press T to bring up the easing parameter, and simply adjust the ease in and ease out parameters. That's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!